Good morning, everybody. Rob and I are here together.
Yes, we are.
And we are filming with two cameras. So I'm going to show you how I decorate my Venetian masks.
Her masks are over there, you can't see them.
And Rob is going to do his Venetian mask. And if
This
you
one.
want to see Rob's result, please check the link below my video and at the end of my video. Then you can go to Rob's YouTube channel and see how he decorates his Venetian mask. And the other way around, if you are on Rob's channel now and you like to see mine, please check out the link below the video and at the end of the video so you can see my results. So we are both
It's not a
uploading a video. No, of course not. But we wanted to art together today. It's weekend and we want to have some fun time together. So
The airbrush.
yeah, we're going to put paint on this. I'm going to do it partial because I have spray painted these masks. These are plaster masks. I make them in a mold. And I have spray painted them with a gold spray. And these two are going to be for my oldest daughter because she requested this color. She wanted gold, black and pink. So I'm going to use all pink colors. I will very fast get you through this. We have Prism Pour Gold.
Am I going to use that one?
I don't know.
No.
I have an interference red and an interference violet. I thought it would be fun. I have primary elements from COLOURARTE, which are a dry paint system with dry pigments, which you mix in the Vivid Polypore. Go to my website if you want to learn more about that. This color is called Sweet Pea. This color is called Love You Pink. This color is called Persian Rose, but this is from Amsterdam Royal Talents Gold. Not gold, Amsterdam paint, standard paint, and it's called Persian Rose. It's also mixed in the Vivid Polypore. And I have from Primary Elements from COLOURARTE Passion Fruits.
Yay!
Castle
Okay, so here we are for the close-up. Here is Rob's. It is also really stunning. But check out his video for his close-up. And I think I actually used more paint than I intended, but well, I think I like this one best. And I really hope my daughter will love it. Just check out that colors. And right after this moment, I will be back with the dried result, but I wanted to see you this with the flash on and the daylight lamps off. Good morning everybody. So here we go. These are the dried results. And I think they are lovely. And my daughter likes them, so that was what this was all about. Let me get one. So, details I think are stunning. So I painted the eyes black and I put a little bit of gold around the eyes. I thought that looked nice. So I will give them a coat of varnish because my daughter doesn't want resin on it. She doesn't want it to shine a lot. And I think I like this one best. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. I hope you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you would like to purchase some primary elements, please go to my website, because you can get them there if you are in Europe. If you are not, there's a link to COLOURARTE.com. So if you live anywhere else in the world, you can get them there. And I'd like to thank you for watching, and please don't forget, go to Rob's video. I will put a link to his video in now.